So this is chapter 3, and in this chapter we are going to learn about what exactly analysis means. How do we analyze the data, and what are the different techniques which are available and which help us to identify the impacted area and also do the analysis, find out the in-depth knowledge of what exactly is needed, where exactly we need to analyze, where exactly we have to find out about the facts which may or may not negatively or positively impact any project. As the name stands for the chapter 3, business analysis techniques, in this what exactly do we do? So it's more about, it's a 3-part process. Number 1, this is your business, which could be your any business. Number 2 is your analysis, which is any project related to this type of business. So number 1 step is this. Number 2 step, analyze the impact, negative or positive, okay? And this is number 2, so this comes over here. And then the technique, what are the different ways to use analysis? That is what it is called as business analysis techniques. Let's move on. Now, here as it states, there are a number of generic business techniques that a business analyst will use when facilitating the analysis. Now, as it says here, business analyst will use. Why it is calling the name loud? The business analyst name is called out very loud over here because this is exactly what a BA will do when he or she has to find out the negative or a positive impact, the area impacted, the process impacted, the rules impacted, the regulations impacted. So this is what exactly anyone is going to use and how that gets used. Let's see that. There are 3 most popular techniques which we are going to study throughout our session. Number 1 is PESTLE, which stands for political, sociological, technological, legal, and environmental. We will go in depth to understand what exactly it is, and also we are going to do a detailed case study on this particular item. Number 2, MOST, which is mission, objective, strategies, tactics. How that gets used, that also I will elaborate with an example. Number 3, SWOT, very popular. Strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threat. So these are the 3 ways which we are going to use, and whether someone call that out, whether you, okay, just go and do the PESTLE analysis or not, even the name is not called out loud, but still as a BA, these are the areas, this is how we do the analysis. So that industry have given a unique name to all these generic techniques which gets used across the industry, whether it is a telecom, retail, finance, healthcare, clinical, you just name it and these things are available in the market. Let's see each of them, what exactly it is. If you have any questions, please stop me so that I can elaborate if you have any question over there.